Today I'm going to be showing you how to do some 1950 waves on this kinky NEESHA wig. I did a review of this wig last week, so go check that out as well. So this is the wig, and those are the supplies you're going to need. You're going to need some hairpins, some hair clips, and a dimming brush. And I'm going to use some hot rollers. I find that when you want to curl a synthetic wig, it's best to use hot rollers so you don't worry about damaging your wig with hot curlers or flat irons. So I always use hot rollers. And I just like the way the curls turn out. So the first step to this process is you're going to gather your supplies. These are hot rollers I just got from Walmart. You can get them on Amazon, Walmart, or any beauty supply store. And then I want to just go ahead and brush out the wig to make sure it's not any tangles and that the wig is smooth and ready to roll. That's going to be the first step. Once you have brushed it out and it's smooth, you're going to section it off. Once it's sectioned off, you're going to start rolling each section small pieces at a time. Not too small, but not too big. Roll it in the direction that you want the curls to fall and stack them on top of each other. The rolling part is the most important because it's going to determine how your curls turn out. So once you have done with the left side, then you're going to move on to the right side and do the same thing. Now, I only use the white and the purple rollers in the box. They do have some larger ones that are pink, but they're too large for me. I'm going to go back to the left side and take these out because I need to use these rollers on the other side and put them back in the box to heat up. And then I'm just going to roll it and pin these curls in place how they fell out of the rollers. This is the wig fully pinned, and it has been sitting for a few days. So I'm just going to take the pins out and show you the curls. Curls are amazing. They're shiny. The wig is back bouncy, and just look at the curls. So you can see my part is there, and the curls are falling to the left and to the right of the part. So I'm going to try her on and position my part. I'm so sorry I didn't move my big mirror out of the way. I was trying to get ready and I didn't even think about moving my mirror so you can see better, but you will see what I'm doing. So this is where I want my part to the left. And we're going to go ahead and start teasing this bad boy. So first I'm going to just kind of comb through it a little bit, separate it, and start teasing. I couldn't find my back teasing brush, so I'm just going to use what I have at hand. And I think that's why I didn't get the height that I wanted, and I wasn't in a rush, but it still turned out good. So just take whatever comb you have and tease the roots, and then comb over, smooth over the top. But tease, don't worry about it. If you mess up, you can always brush it out and start again. So I'm just going to tease this to death until I get the height that I want, because this is the side that I want to flow and fall down and cascade down my face. Now on the right side, I thought I wanted a victory roll, so I'm going to show you how I achieved that. I just went to the right side and teased and smoothed it over. Then I'm going to take this section, tease in between again, and start to roll it in place. It fell into place really easy with the teasing. So I'm going to pin this in place. And then make sure your roll is in a circle. You just pin in between that circle and roll it and pin it until you like how it looks. And then I'm going to tease the back to add that height to the back and that fullness as well. So when I finished this, I did like it, but I wanted to wear my hair all down, so I ended up taking the victory roll out. Now follow the waves of the hair. It's going to automatically fall into waves, and that's where I put my clip to hold that big wave in the front, because that's where I wanted it to fall in my face. So I'm just trying to make this look natural around the hairline because I did not glue it down. I don't do all that. So I'm just going in trying to make it look natural in the front and perfect these waves here. Take some got-to-be glue and spray that to secure that big wave in the front. Don't worry, the got-to-be glue won't make it too hard. And just tease, tease, tease until you get the height that you want. So that's all I'm doing. You just go and you perfect it to your liking. Play with the roll. You're not going to get it right on the first time. You play with it until you get it how you like it. That's how it looked the first style I did. Then I decided that with my look today, I just wanted it down, big, and flowy. So I came back. I put a roller there to try to make my hump a little bigger because I saw somebody do that. I'm just going to go back in and tease and spray, ladies. So I took my roll down, and all I had to do was like just brush through it a little bit. The teasing just made the size a little fuller, which I wanted anyway. Play with it until you get it to your liking. This can be time consuming, but it's worth it. If I had a little more time and I would have played with it more, I could have got the height that I wanted. But this was good for today. So I'm gonna come back and show you what I ended up with. These curls are still soft. Don't worry about them being hard from the got-to-be glue because I'm not going too heavy-handed. Look at the curls. I got so many compliments on this look. So this is the final look. The curls are voluminous and just bouncy and soft. When I do this look again, I'm really going to tease more. I'm going to get a real teasing comb and just go in there. But this is so pretty. And I paired it with my little vintage dress and sweater. Soft to the touch. It probably took me maybe an hour and a half to achieve this look. It's just because I was taking my time and just not moving too fast. But what do you think about this final look? Comment below and let me know if you're going to try this. It did come out very well. And please thumbs up the video, comment below and let me know if you liked it. If you like this or the one with the victory roll better. And come on, subscribe to my channel. I'll be grateful to have you. It was so fun making this video. I'm going to head out for a little bit, get some sun. And I will see you guys in my next video. I did just want to show you my little dress. I showed you this dress in a Fashion Nova haul. If you haven't seen that, I'll link that below as well. See how cute it is paired with this sweater and then the vintage hairstyle. It just brings the look all together. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Hey, I'm feeling myself. Feeling myself. All right, ladies. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Have a wonderful day and stay safe.